elephants are here?
One.
Okay. What is this?
One.
Very good, very good. Okay. How many monkeys are here?
One, two, one, two, three.
Okay. How many monkeys are here?
Three.
Okay. Is that three?
Yes.
Very good, very good. What about this one? How many bats are here?
One, two.
Okay. Is that two?
Yes.
Okay. Very good, very good. What about this one? How many
One.
lions are here?
One,
Uh,
two,
uh.
three, four.
Very good, very good. How many lions are here?
Four.
Okay. What is this?
Four.
Very good, very good. What about this one? How many tigers are here?
One, two, three, four, five.
Totally, how many tigers are there?
Five.
Okay. What number is this?
Five.
Five. Very good, very good. Okay. Wait, I will show you. Okay. How many animals are here?
One, two, three, four, five,
Mm.
6, 7, 8.
How many animals?
8.
Is that eight?
Yeah.
Very good, very good.